back to my channel. So today I will be doing my everyday makeup routine, and this is how it looks. So if you guys enjoy watching those type of videos and enjoy watching me, well, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I will be going in with my primer. It is an off brand. And I'll be going in with my favorite foundation by Kat Von D. It's my all-time favorite. I've been wearing it for many years now, and yeah. And this right here is the concealer, Born This Way. I only put a little bit because I don't have a lot anymore. But either way, still don't put a lot on my face for the conceal. I just conceal the inner corners, and then I go with my beauty blender. And then it's my banana powder. I love this one, and I just literally dab the powder all over my face. I know it looks super hilarious because it is a lot of powder, but I don't really keep all of it. I always go in with my brush, and yeah. And here I am brushing out all the excessive powder away, so not all of it stays on my face. And I will go in with my Hoola bronzer and contour my cheeks. My cheeks, that sounded so funny. But yeah, and I just form that. And I also put some on the side of my forehead. I don't know if I'll show that in the clip, but yeah. And I am going in with the same banana powder and just cleaning up the contour area so it just looks clean cut, and also on my nose. And I will be using the Mario Badescu spray. I will only spray a little bit, not too much, just enough. Then I'm just brushing away all the powder. And when I say that I love this iconic Morphe setting spray, it's so pretty. When you walk out in the sun, you could see how it illuminates. It has like a glitter in it, and it makes it look so pretty. But here's an eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I think it's like maybe $5 from like CVS. And you guys, I love these lashes. These are from my lash brand called Mystical Lashes in Style Dream, and I love them. I wear them all the time. These are my go-to lashes. And here's the final look, and I'm just feeling myself, don't mind me. But yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see next. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!